Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you're going to learn how to make this simple logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your circle. Then you have to come to the workspace and draw your circle. You can always come to the home property right here. At this point here, you need to type in 377 for the width, and then for the height you have to type 919 and then press enter key on your keyboard. You are going to have a stuff like this. Then you need to press P to centralize. Okay, next thing you need to do is to double click on this shape. Then this allows you to have a rotation pane. So when you have a rotation pane, next thing you need to do is to go to window. Then from window you have to go to Dockers. From Docker you go to transform. Then from the very point here, you need to make sure that your transform is rotate is active. Then you have to make sure that your angle is 30. Then your copy should be 12. Click on apply. You're going to have a stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to come to the toolbar right here. Click and hold down. This time around, you need to choose your virtual segment delete. So having choose your virtual segment delete, you have to press Alt key on your keyboard and make sure you drag this way down. So you are going to make a cut this way. Next thing you need to do is to click and hold down. From this point here, make sure you choose Smart Fill. Then having choose Smart Fill, you come here and make sure you apply it to the shape. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click and hold down and choose Interactive Fill. Having choose your Interactive Fill, you go to Fontaine. Then you can direct your gradients this way. Next thing you can do is to click on here, and you can make use of navy blue. For this side here, make use of navy blue. Then you come to the top right here also, click on here, and make sure you pick your color, navy blue. So the very last thing you can do here is to double click on here to add a color node. So having had a color node, you have to come here and choose another color. So this time around, you need to choose cyan. So having choose your cyan, then you can adjust your color based on exactly what you need to achieve. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your pick tool. Then you have to come down below here, right click here to remove stroke. Next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl C to make a copy of this particular shape. Next thing you need to do, after make a copy, select everything and press delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl V to make a paste. So the next step you have to take here is to double click on the logo shape. Having double click on the logo shape, you have to come back to your transform window right here. Make sure you select on this. Then it's going to snap to the bottom. Next thing you need to do is to make sure that your angle is still 30 and your copy still remains 12. Then you click on apply. You're going to have a free shape like this. Next thing you need to do is to select everything. Having selected everything, you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you grow. You can press shift key and resize your logo shape. Then you press P to centralize. Next thing you can do is to come back to the toolbar right here, double click on the page border to create a page border. You can fill it with gray. Then you can come down right here and make sure you remove stroke. Then you can come here and make sure you choose your fonting. Having choose your transparent, then you have to make sure you choose fonting from the top right here. And finally, you have to choose radial. So you're going to have a stuff like this. Then once you get to this page, next thing you can do is to come here and make sure you close the transform. So guys, this is how you can make this professional realistic logo step by step using corelDRAW without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.